10 things you need to do after every workouts. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that is incredibly important, but often neglected, taking care of yourself after a workout. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or doing a yoga class, it's essential to give your body the attention it needs to recover and build strength. I remember when I first started working out, I didn't know the importance of post-workout care. It wasn't until I started experiencing aches and pains that I realized how crucial it is. Today, I want to share with you 10 things you need to do after every workout to ensure that you're giving your body the best chance to recover and perform at its best. Let's get started. Number 1. Hydrate. It's important to drink plenty of water after a workout to help rehydrate your body and replenish lost fluids. According to a study by the American Council on Exercise, drinking 17 to 20 ounces of water for every pound of body weight lost during exercise is a good rule of thumb. Number 2. Stretch. Stretching helps improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, and improve circulation. Take 5 to 10 minutes after your workout to stretch out any tight muscles. Number 3. Eat a healthy meal. What you eat after a workout can have a big impact on your results. Consuming protein and carbohydrates helps to rebuild and replenish your muscles. Try to eat a meal within 30 minutes of your workout. Number 4. Get some rest. Sleep is essential for recovery and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and try to avoid vigorous activity before bedtime. Number 5. Track your progress. Keeping track of your progress is a great way to stay motivated and see the results of your hard work. Use a journal, app, or notebook to track your workouts, progress, and recovery time. Number 6. Cool down. Taking 5 to 10 minutes to cool down after a workout helps your body adjust to its normal state, reducing the risk of injury and helping to prevent muscle soreness. Number 7. Ice sore muscles. If you're feeling sore, try icing the affected area for 20 to 30 minutes to help reduce inflammation and pain. Number 8. Stay active. Try to stay active throughout the day, even if it's just going for a walk or doing some light stretching. This will help keep your muscles from stiffening up and reduce the risk of injury. Number 9. Stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day is just as important as drinking it after your workout. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Number 10. Celebrate your achievements. Take time to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledge the progress you've made and the hard work you've put in. This will help keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Intro. By incorporating these 10 things into your routine, you'll not only feel better after your workouts, but you'll also see an improvement in your overall performance. Remember, taking care of yourself after a workout is just as important as the workout itself. Keep pushing yourself and stay motivated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.